Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to do a detailed eyeshadow tutorial in 3 minutes. So first of all, we are lining our eyebrow. We just want to do a simple quick eyebrow. So we are putting lines, one up, one down, and as up. We just want it to be as natural as possible. Then I'm going to take a spoolie and into my black eyeshadow is the one that I'm going to use to shade inside to fill in my eyebrows. Then I'll take my concealer that is 2 or 3 shades lighter than my skin tone, and I will highlight my eyebrows at the same time, cleaning them. Then I use an eyeshadow as a base. So as an eyeshadow base, I'm going to use concealer, as you can see. Then I'm doing a V shape eyeshadow. So I'm just swiping with this dabbing brush. So for the blending technique, as you can see, I use my finger to blend the concealer. I will keep on going with my black eyeshadow, so that just to give a volume to the eyeshadow. So on the outer V shape, we need black eyeshadow to give volume to the eyeshadow.